In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails at once in Yahoo Mail. If your inbox has piled up and scrolling page by page feels endless, this walkthrough will show you the fastest built-in way to clear everything, including how to make the deletion permanent so the space is actually freed. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. From the results, click the official Yahoo Mail link to go to the sign-in page. Sign into your account as you normally would. Depending on your settings, you might see a verification prompt. Complete that to land in your inbox. Once you're in, look at the toolbar above your list of emails. On the far left, you'll see a small square checkbox sitting just above the first message. Click that checkbox. At first, this selects only the messages currently visible on your screen. After you click, a message bar appears at the top of the list. This is important. Click the link that says either Select all conversations that match this search or Select all messages in the inbox, depending on where you are. That tells Yahoo to include every email in that view, not just the first page. If you're inside a specific folder or using a search, it will select all conversations in that folder or all that match your search. With everything selected, click the delete icon, the trash can, on the top toolbar. Yahoo will ask you to confirm. In the pop-up, choose OK or Delete to move all selected mail to deleted items. At this stage, your emails are removed from the inbox, but they aren't permanently gone yet. To finish the job, go to the left sidebar and find the Deleted Items folder. Hover over it, click the More Options button, the three dots, and choose Empty Folder. You may also see a small trash icon you can use to clear it. Confirm when prompted. This permanently deletes the messages and frees up space. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you change your mind right after deleting from the inbox, use the undo prompt that briefly appears. And if you haven't emptied deleted items yet, you can still restore messages from there by opening the folder and moving them back. That's it. Your Yahoo Mail is clean and clear. You opened Yahoo Mail, selected everything using the checkbox and the Select All link, deleted the messages, and then emptied deleted items to make it permanent. Keep these steps handy anytime you need a fresh start in your inbox.